So right as you walk into the room here, there is a really large bathroom. And as I mentioned before, this is a DVC villa. So it's a studio. It is the largest studio on Disney property. So you do get the full 2 bathrooms, which is really nice. And you've got a couple of drawers here in the bathroom, which is always really handy to store all of your toiletries. You've got some H2O beauty products here. And this side of the bathroom is gonna have the tub shower combo, and it also has your toiletries here. I'm not sure how much longer those are gonna be around since H2O has announced that they are not gonna have them anymore, so I'm not really sure, but they're there for now. And then you've got some cute Little Mermaid artwork on the wall. Super cute, a couple spots to hang. Said it's really large. Okay, and then over here to the left, also these rooms do connect, so you could put 2 together. If you had a larger party, it looks like they do have connecting available. And here is gonna be your closet. And so you have a laundry basket, a pillow and blanket, some hangers, an ironing board, and then you have your safe down here and a little like shoe shelf. If you want to do laundry on vacation, this does have a laundry facility on property. That's why there's a laundry basket. It makes that super easy for you. And then here's your little kitchenette. So there is a microwave for you if you want to have groceries delivered. There's some storage, some basic, they give you some plastic silverware, plastic cups, bowls, paper towels. So you get a little bit more than you do in a standard Disney hotel room. You have a coffee maker, a toaster, so if you want to do like bagels or whatever, you could do that for breakfast, and a sink. And then you have a pretty decent sized fridge here. The regular hotel rooms only have a beverage cooler, so you do have a little bit of space if you want to get waters and some sodas, juice boxes, whatever for the kiddos. And then down here we have our trash and our recycling. So you get a little bit more with the studio than you would anywhere else. And then the second bathroom has a full shower, stand-up shower. It is really nice. It's really beautiful. And it's got the handheld and the rain head shower. And then you also have your toiletries here, and there's a nice bench for sitting. And then you have your backlit mirror here with your little makeup mirror and some tissues, some sinks. You've got your towels, and then there's also 2 drawers here. They're not very deep, but you have 2 drawers here, a hair dryer, and some shelving. Lots of storage if you need that. Then here is your room. So we have a queen size bed here. And then on the nightstand, you have your light fixture here. You can turn on and off. And then you have a little drawer. And then I was looking for the USBs and everything, and they're right underneath the nightstand here. So you have one USB port and 2 regular plugs. And I'm sure the other nightstand is the same way. Some pretty artwork. So yes, here's the other nightstand. And you have a USB and 2 plugs as well. If you've seen other Polynesian videos, you probably noticed that a lot of them have the Moana theme in the rooms. The studios do not have that theme. They are just the regular Polynesian theme. They have been redone to include a pull-down bed, like a Murphy bed, over the pull-out sofa, and that is supposed to be a lot more comfortable. So I will show you that here in a minute. But over here, right underneath the TV, you have a pull-out child size bed. I say child size, it's really more of like a twin size bed. It's pretty large, and I would even think that my 13-year-old daughter would be able to sleep on that fine. And I've heard others that had teenagers, older teenagers, that slept fine on it as well. You do get the Lilo and Stitch headboard there. So this is super cute for kiddos. and it folds right back up. And then over here you have a table and chairs. And you've got 2 USBs there as well as a wall plug. I still prefer to bring a USB tower or some kind of plug situation so that you can manage all of your devices when you're here. Also, I moved this out of the way because I'm going to show you the Murphy bed, but this is the the coffee table, and there's storage inside of that. And then also underneath the bed, there is enough storage there to put some of your suitcases as well. I'm going to attempt to pull this thing down. So you do have your couch here. And then just make sure when you pull it down, you're not standing with your legs against the sofa because it will not work. So, but there you go. And then you've got 2 queen size beds, not a sofa bed, in the room. And I'll back up so you can kind of see the whole thing. But super spacious, super comfortable. I love the theming. We've got a little patio over there. Some of them have balconies up on the upper floors. But this is a great room if you have a larger family. It does sleep 5. So that is really nice as well if you have a larger family. So yeah. Well, there you go, guys. That is our room tour of Disney's Polynesian Villas Studio Villa here in the Moorea building at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. I hope you enjoyed the tour. I hope it helps you when you're making your decision on where you'd like to stay at Walt Disney World. If you like room tour videos or all things at Disney and Disney travel, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you always know when we put up a new video. We'll see you next time.